Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2018 Honda CB300F. This motorcycle has just over 8,700 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Spikes had a very minor tip over on the right hand side, but the damage is very light. Front tire, good shape, got some decent tread still left on it. It's got adjustable levers. So as you can see, we've got some scrapes there on the end of the lever, bar end, and edge of the mirror. The bike also has frame sliders on it, as well as an aftermarket pipe and a tank pad. As you can see by the rear tire, it's down on the wear bars, so the rear tire does need to be replaced. And again, tank pad, frame sliders, and adjustable levers. Show you the miles now. 8701 is what's on it. This 2018 Honda CB300F is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.